We'll put it on that red brick thing over there.
Get him, kitty. What you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? Look, yeah, it's a crawfish. It's I'm a crazy old crawfish. Scaredy cat. You're a scaredy cat. How are you supposed to protect everyone over here? You know, a scaredy cat. Kitty! What you gonna do? Kitty's protect everyone. No. Got kitties. Oh no. Oh, yeah. We can't do this. This is like that. Going to eat you later.
Some crawfish are...
These are bad duties. This is the bad duties, huh? You your bad dudes. You didn't even know that thing. You're over here getting busy. No, you're gonna get busy, tell you what. These are bad little peas, huh? You should get the rolls. Early morning rolls. What you gonna do? Early morning rolls. Early morning rolls. Early morning rolls. Oh, the neighbor's property. Shame on you. Shame on you. She's like, yeah, I don't care. I own this world. Kitty runs this show. Yes. Kitty runs this show. Hey, baby. Oh. Hey, you. Where's a good girl? Come see. Well, come here. You need to come see me. Hi. Just chilling on top of the fence today? Is that what we're doing? No. You're trying to get in the neighbor's lawn. You get over there. Look this side. Come on. This side, please.